Hi everyone, my name is Deliana and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make tahini sauce. The main ingredient in tahini sauce is sesame seeds, and sesame seeds are a really good source of protein. They contain a lot of healthy fats and fiber, and they're very tasty. Tahini can be used in a variety of recipes. You can mix it with some lemon juice, some salt and pepper, and make a great tahini dressing for your salads. Tahini is also used to make delicious hummus, and I have a recipe available for you to check it out later on if you click on the link right here. You can also use tahini in a variety of savory dishes. I used it in my latest recipe for vegan shepherd's pie because the tahini brings this nice earthy flavor to the dish and helps bind everything together. So make sure to check that recipe out and let me show you how to make tahini. The first step is to roast the sesame seeds. Add 4 cups of raw sesame seeds to a cooking pan and roast them for about 10 minutes. Make sure you roast them on low heat and continuously stir the sesame seeds to prevent them from burning. Once the sesame seeds turn golden brown, they're ready. Take them off the heat and let them rest for 10 minutes. Then you can transfer the sesame seeds to a food processor and process them for about 3 to 5 minutes. After about 2 minutes, you will see how the sesame seeds turn into a thick paste. To ease the process, you can add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, but this is entirely optional, and continue processing for the remaining time until you get to a smooth paste. At this point, the tahini is ready. You can transfer it to a jar with a lid and store it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Tahini is a very versatile sauce. You can drizzle it over a sliced banana or apple for a quick snack like peanut butter. I often add it to a toast with freshly sliced strawberry for breakfast. You can turn it to a salad dressing by adding some fresh lemon juice, salt and pepper, some maple syrup, and some water. It makes an incredibly tasty salad dressing. Also, use it when you make a vegetable hummus, and you can check out my roasted eggplant hummus recipe or the baba ganoush recipe that I will link in the description box below. Tahini is also ideal for lentils. I recently made vegan shepherd's pie with lentils, and I used it to thicken the first layer of the shepherd's pie, and the taste turned out amazing. So I highly recommend it to use it in your cooking. You can use it in many different ways, but either way, just have fun with it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, share it with your friends and family. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out my latest recipe right there, and I'll see you there.